we're gonna start the fraction this week. And the first thing that you should know when you start to add, subtract, multiply, or divide fraction is you're gonna see the fraction that not being reduced or simplified it, and you need to learn how to simplify your fraction. Sometimes you see mixed number and you have to convert it to improper or improper to mixed number. So let's start with simplifying fraction. So that you have to divide numerator and the denominator by their common factor. Yeah. Okay. So let's start to simplify 24 and 36. Tell me what these two number is divisible by.
6.
These can divisible by 6. I like it. Some people they start with 2. That's okay, right? But it just take a longer time, and you can think, okay, if it's divisible by 2, it's divisible by 4, is that it's divisible by 6 as well. Okay, so Addison give me divisible by 6, so I'm gonna divide the numerator and denominator by 6. So 24 divided by 6, you got 4. And then 36 divided by 6, you got?
6.
Whoa, we still can do it more, right? These 4 over 6 can be divisible by 2. So we have 2/3. So that is my final answer. Simplify 24 over 36. Good job. Next one. Example 2. 102 over 60. What do you think can be divisible by? 2 is an even number. So I'm pretty sure it can be divisible by 2. And then Turner says it's divisible by 6 as well, right? Because 60 divided by 6, but I'm not sure that 102 can be divisible by 6. Why don't we try it? Okay, hold on.
No, 13. 16.
Okay, 102, I divide it by 6 and see what happened. 6 going to 10 one time.
Yeah, it can be divisible by it, but you get like the product of 17.
Okay, 1 times 6 is 6. 10 minus 6 will be 4, right? Dropped out the 2. So 42 divided by 6, you got? Not 8. 7. 7 times 6, 42. Okay, so it's gonna be 17. And then 60 divided by 6, you got a 10. Okay, so 17 is an odd number, so can be divisible. It's a prime number. You cannot reduce it more, basically. But 17 over 10, what kind of fraction is this? So 17 over 10, it is an improper fraction. So I'm going to reduce it to make it to be a mixed number, right? So 17 divided by 10 is how many times that 10 go into 17? 1 time. So 1 times 10 is 10. 17 minus 10 is 7. So I have 1 whole and the fraction 7 over 10. Okay, so we basically gonna keep divide until you cannot. Okay, so we just learned how to reduce fraction. Next one, we're gonna learn how to convert mixed number into improper fraction. So we're gonna multiply dot 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 and the whole number. Multiply what? The denominator and the whole number. And then add product and the numerator. convert each mixed number to an improper fraction. Example 1, 3 and 2/5. Okay, so what I teach in the last couple years is I'm usually draw Texas, our state, inside our mixed number, and I'm gonna do the popcorn. Okay, so I have the denominator is always the same. Okay, and I'm gonna do popcorn. That means I'm gonna multiply 5 to 3, which is 15, right? What is 15 add to? 17. Here we go. Yep, did you see this before? Popcorn method. I call it popcorn, Texas popcorn method. Okay, could we do from the bottom up to the top, right? That's how popcorn work. Okay, try this one. Okay, if you see it new, popcorn method is new, try it. So popcorn, and then make sure you eat Texas popcorn. Okay, and then the T stands for add, the X stands for multiply, and the denominator is always the same. So it's 4. So we're gonna do multiply first, kind of like Pam dot. We multiply before we add. So what is 4 times 5? 20. 20 plus 1. 21. That is your improper fraction from the mixed number 5 and 1/4. Good job. Okay. See? Do the Texas way. I would say Texas popcorn. Okay. It's just a funny way to say it. Okay, next one. We're gonna convert improper fraction to a mixed number. You're gonna divide the numerator by the denominator. The answer is what is that? The answer will be the whole number. Okay, whatever you have is the whole number. And then the remainder is what do you put the remainder? Numerator. Whatever you have for the remainder, you put it the numerator, and the denominator is always the same. Later will be the same. Okay, so let's convert it. 18 over 8. So first we're gonna divide, okay? 18 to 8. How many times that 8 go into 18? Twice. Because 2 times 8 get me 16. 18 minus 16 give me a 2. So again, I'm gonna convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. Your answer will be the whole number. The denominator always the same, which is 8. And then your remainder right here will be your numerator. So you have 2 and 2, 8. But this is not your final answer, because you go into simplify 2 and 2, 8. 2, 2 and 1/4 by dividing these two numbers by 2. That is your final answer. So make sure you simplify your work. Next one is number 2, 15 to 4. What do we have to do, student? Divide. Good. How many times that 4 go into 15? 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 15 minus 12 give me another 3. So the whole number will be the answer when you divide. the denominator is always the same. And then your remainder will be the numerator of your mixed number. So we have 3 and 3/4. How was it? Not bad? Good? Yay. Okay. So you have the independent practice. Okay. And you can work on your own right now.